if your goal is to get your 1000 subscribers very, very fast, guys, I just found out one of the secret strategies that your big content creators are using to drive a lot of views and subscribers to their channels. And I'm talking about content creators like Jade Beeson, vidIQ, Sarah Finance, and the likes of them. They are using this particular method. I just found out about it a few days ago, and trust me, your girl is already using it, and I am seeing the benefits. Now, not only will this particular strategy fetch you views and subscribers, you are also going to be able to make a lot of money from it as long as you do it the right way. I'm going to share it with you in today's video. Now, the very first thing I need you to understand is YouTube is actually pushing small creators. Now, for a video to go viral, it depends on the audience behavior. So when you upload a video for the very first time, the very first set of people to watch your video, they really count, because YouTube is going to study the audience behavior. Are they watching from the beginning to the end? Because if they're not watching from the beginning to the end, then YouTube might feel like that video is not catchy enough, so it might not push it out to more people. So you need to actually get people who will be interested in watching your video from the very beginning to the end. Those are the people that will help your videos to go viral. Those are the people that will also subscribe to your channel. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you this particular strategy. Then at the end, I'm going to share with you how you want to use this strategy to now start growing a lot of subscribers on your channel. Now, in case you've not been able to access the master prompts that I shared with you yesterday, you want to check the pinned comment of this particular video to get access to it. Now, let me show you that secret strategy. Then I'm going to come back and show you how you want to now use this strategy to bring a lot of views and subscribers to your channel. Do not miss it. The very first thing you want to do is to come over to your browser and just type in CEEEY'S.com. okay, then you go ahead to send. Now once you send, you're going to see here start free trial. Okay, if you tap on the three dots here, you're going to see the whole pricing, but you do not need to use this. Okay, so all you just need to do is to tap on start free trial. So it says, are you a robot? So this is just to confirm that you're not a robot. Okay, now you want to create an account. If you do not have an account, you don't need to go here, you come here to create an account. So let's just do this together. So let's say Glory C. You put in your password, then you come here and tap on the check mark telling them that you have agreed to their terms of service and privacy policy. Then you're going to see save password. I can just save. So you can see they've sent me an email. So I'm just going to come here and tap on confirm your email, and then I'll tap on my browser, the same browser that I'm using. Okay, don't make any mistake. So now that I have confirmed my email, tell us more about yourself. Do you already use an email marketing tool? I do not, so I'm going to just pick no. All right, so how big is your audience? So this is just basic knowledge. So this, my audience is currently 40 something thousand, but across I have like more than this. So I'm going to tap on, let me just tap on this. They said, what's the name of your business, newsletter, or brand? Now this is the particular name that will be visible to your people, so you need to put a name that they would be very used to. So I'm going to still retain Glory C. Okay, even if you've registered your business to be something else, because my own business name is Glory C Digital Space. That's my registered name. But then because I know a lot of people know me as Glory C, I will just leave it at this, then continue. What is your website? You do not necessarily need to create a website. All I'm just going to do would be to go to YouTube. Okay, just come here to YouTube. I'll tap on my profile picture, and then I'm going to tap on view channel. I'll just tap on view channel, then I'll come to these three dots here. I'll tap on the three dots, then tap on share. All right, so I can just copy my channel link, and then I'm going to go back there. That's basically what I'm going to paste there. Then I'll tap on continue. So you don't necessarily need to create a website. What kind of creator are you? I am a YouTuber. So they said pick which of these options best describes you. So I'm a YouTuber, I am a coach, should I say I'm a marketer? I think I can call myself a marketer. So I now tap on continue. So what do you hope to achieve with Kit? We'll use this answer to set you up for your success. This is the one that I want to pick. So I'm going to just tap on grow my list. So you can say strategy call included. Enter your card and we'll match you with a creator growth manager. They'll help you build a plan for your audience and find your fastest path to revenue. So it says you won't be billed until your free trial ends. So that means your free trial can actually, and it's 14 days, so you have 14 days to do a lot. So your free trial ends. Before your free trial ends, just go to your settings and unbind your card. Next, you want to tap on continue without a strategy call. I didn't tap on subscribe. Now we are here, so you can say welcome to Kate's Glory C. So grow your list. Now you want to set up the essentials to start growing your audience. Will help you launch and build momentum. So you want to tap on create landing page. So I'm going to tap on this particular one, which is the first step. Okay, so turn readers into subscribers with customizable landing pages and forms. Now the next thing you want to do is to now come here. You're going to see create a landing page. You're going to see create a form. We're going to tap on create a landing page. Please, this is what my own interface looks like, because I'm already using this. You can see I already have a landing page here, but you're going to see yours will not be ticked yet. Do you understand? But I'll still tick it to show you exactly what you want to do. So you go ahead and tap on create a landing page. Just tap on the create a landing page. Do you understand? Now once you tap on it, this is my own landing page. Okay, now see, just in less than 24 hours I have already 70 visitors. Do you understand? My conversion rate is 12.9%, and I already have 9 subscribers. So I'm going to just come here and tap on new. Okay, because I want to show you exactly how you want to create yours. So you tap on new, then this place you're going to see landing page, new builder, classic builder, form. Just come here and tap on new builder. That's the one you want to use. Okay, all right. So once you tap on it, you're going to see different templates. They will tell you to pick a particular template. Just go ahead and pick a very simple template. Do you understand? You don't need to pick something that is so difficult to use. Do you understand? So let's assume I want to use this particular template. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. Do you understand? I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. Now after I must have tapped on it, you have the liberty to tweak it to your own brand color or what have you, or whatever it is that you want. Do you understand? So let's assume I want to put my name here. Maybe I can just put here Glory C. I can remove the loop from that place and just put Glory. I wish I could use a subscriber's name, but let me just use this anyway. So Glory C. Then you can, if you want to change this sign me up to another thing, you can just tap on it and remove what you have there and just put maybe register. Do you understand? Basically whatever it is that you want, you can do. You can even decide to change the color. So you can come to page style. All right, you can tap on it, okay, to change your color. So look at it down here. If you come here, you can come to color. All right, come tap on this particular image here. This is the background color. You can pick whatever you want. If I want my purple, you guys know that I'm a purple girly, so you pick, my brand color is purple, so you pick color purple. Then you can come here, your button. Okay, look at the current color of your button is dark blue, navy blue. You can decide to come here to change it. Do you understand? So basically just go ahead, change your color, change your fonts, your font size, whatever you feel like changing, change it. All right, now this next one is actually the catch. This is the main thing. You now want to go ahead and create a gift, something that is free of charge, and at the same time something that is very catchy. You are doing this only once and for all. It's, if you do it once, it's going to keep on working for you. Now your gift could be something related to your niche that you know your audience will be interested in. Maybe it's a prompt that people can use. Maybe it's how to make a lot of money in a dry economy. Maybe just something very interesting, cooking recipe. You can even create it with either ChatGPT or Claude. Put it inside a file, then you are going to use it here. So this place where you can see learn AI without the dread, go ahead and put it that get this free gift. So you can name your free gift. Do you understand? So anybody that comes here will be able to put in their email address and tap on register to get that particular gift. But by so doing, they are already subscribing to your email list. Do you get the gist? So once you are done with this, you just look up here. Now when you look up, you're going to see something that looks like a settings icon. Just tap on it. So you're going to see subscribers will see your success message. Then if you look down, you're going to see show a success message, custom thank you page, redirect to an external page. So you can just use show a success message. If you clicked that my master prompts link, you would have seen something like success. You can now access the master prompt, something like that. Don't click on publish here too. Don't make that mistake. Please permit me to turn my phone the other way so that I'll be able to access all the features. Okay, so this is this right here. So all you just need to do is to now come up here to where you can see this setting. Tap on that setting. Okay, now when you tap on setting, you come over here to the left hand side and tap on confirmation email. Okay, now once you tap on confirmation email, you are going to ensure that this button is turned on. All right, then you ensure that this second button also is turned on. Very, very important. Then you now come here. So if you want to send them to your YouTube channel, you just come here to start a download. You tap on start a download, then you're going to see choose a file. So already you must have placed your incentive somewhere. Maybe you want to give them free checklist of something or something. You know, people like free things. So you just come here and tap on choose a file. You can now go to your file or your picture, whatever it is you want to send to them. I'll tap on choose a file. Let me just pick any file, or let me just pick any picture. Let's assume it's this one I want to use. So I've tapped on it. Let's assume this is the free stuff that I actually want to give my people. So you just ensure that it loads up first and you can see it right here. Then you tap on save. Okay, now after you tapped on save, you can just come here to just check that everything is fine already. All right, then you now go ahead to publish. Now that you've published, let us share it. Come here to share. You're going to see the link. Okay, this is the link. So you just tap on the link. Now this is the very important thing you want to do. But so let me show you my own link that I created, that I shared to you guys. This is exactly what I sent to everybody. You can see your AI movie master prompt is here. So let me tap on the link. Okay, so you can see this. So let me just try to I'll tap on get free master prompt. So you can see success. Check your email to access your AI movie master prompt. So I'll just check my email. So you can see it right here. They've sent it to me right here. So all I need to do is to just tap on confirm your subscription. Then I tap on my default browser. Okay, once I tap on my default browser, you can see the master prompt. So this is exactly what you want to do. Now that you've done that, you are done setting up. How do you now use this to drive subscribers and viewers to all your future videos? What you want to do is to now come over here to this sidebar here. Do you understand? At first, this might be what you see. Just come to this menu here, tap on menu, then come up here to where you can see broadcast. Okay, just tap on broadcast, then you come here. Okay, just tap anywhere here to come here. So you're now going to see plus. Just tap on this plus here. Do you understand? Now once you tap on plus, this first one here, just tap on text only. Okay, don't tap on classic, just tap on that text only. Now once you tap on text only, all you need to do is to come here and in your subject line, just tap on this new broadcast. So for example, if your video is about 1,000 subscribers, I can just go ahead and type want 1,000 YouTube subscribers before September. Now after you must have typed that, the next one is add preview text. So you add a very catchy text that would follow up on this particular one. It will allow 150 characters. So I put here's the strategy I would use if I were starting from scratch. Then you now come here and paste your email here. Now I'll show you what I will paste. I pasted, hey, if you're serious about reaching 1,000 YouTube subscribers before the end of the year, I just uploaded a new tutorial showing you the strategy I would use if I were starting from scratch. So you now come here and paste your YouTube video link here. So let me just go and copy one of my YouTube links. Can you see? So you've already pasted it right there. So even without people going to your channel, they will see it here. So you now come here and just tap on continue. So you can see publish broadcast. Choose where you would like to publish this broadcast. So you can now pick send email. So I'll now tap on send email. Can you see? So from address, you can see it's my email address that is right here. All right, so you just come down here. When it says select your subscribers, just come here to all. Now I have 10 subscribers. Just come here to where you can see all. Don't pick none or any, just all. Then you come down here to where you can see continue. Do you understand? Come here to where you can see continue. So you can see sending now. You come here, review it, and then you come here to what? Send email. Do you understand? Send email. So definitely all those people that already subscribed to this email list are going to get that particular video. Now that you know how to set this up, how do you now use this particular strategy to drive a lot of viewers, subscribers, and even make a lot of money aside YouTube AdSense? One thing I've noticed about vidIQ is when he posts a particular video, he would wait for like 3 days before he goes ahead to send this particular email to his email list subscribers. I am one of his email list subscribers, so I can tell you for sure he always uses a very catchy subject for that his email. Now he will now put a very good preview text such that once I see it, I know that this is something I'm really interested in. And then because he already has the video link there, I'll be moved to go ahead and click that video link, and immediately it redirects me to his video. Because you already have a preview text, anybody that's not interested in that particular video will not bother going ahead to click that link, so it's not going to affect you. So that means the only people that are going to go ahead to click that link are the people that are really going to be interested in what you have already typed in your email body. So that means there's a high chance that they are going to watch that video from the very beginning to the end, and it's still going to help you push your videos to even more people, and YouTube will just start to recommend your videos. Now, how can you make a lot of money using this same strategy? You want to now go ahead and create digital products in your own niche, so that the people you are sending to, they are going to be interested in that digital product. So you now form a very good, catchy email body and also post there. Then you want to attach the link to your seller store. If you don't know how to use a seller store, you want to go ahead and get my course. I'm going to link it in the description box. You go ahead and attach the link to your seller store in that particular email body, so that anybody that receives it, once they see the interesting subject line and the interesting email body, they are going to be moved to click on your seller store link and purchase your products. As long as it's a very good product, people are going to buy and you're going to make your money. If you've not gotten registered for our 5-day monetization safe AI movie making class, you want to check the pinned comment to get registered for it right now, and I'll see you either in class or in my next one. Bye.